much, right, Honorable Deputy Speaker. I wanted to invite honorable members of parliament here that the 5 billion kwacha that is coming in the next budget is right allocated in our constituencies. The consultant and indeed our ministry has indicated we are putting guidelines. But all we are saying is that money is for the bridges you're talking about. That money is for the schools you're talking about. That money is for the roads you're talking about. That money is for any development you're talking about in your constituencies. And the oversight role that you have has really been highlighted properly in these guidelines. As I indicated, the guidelines will come out after cabinet has approved. But I wanted to invite you now to begin to show the appetite in your statements by saying, as this money comes, I plan to do the following for my people in the constituency than the traditional way of debating in this house, so that we show the people there that we are ready for this money. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.